This is the Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G. The ROM is ported from the Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G, ported for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G and Galaxy Note 10 series. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. I was getting a lot of messages that, sir, the latest version of One UI 6 ROM version is 7.0.1. Please make a review of this ROM and tell us about how the ROM is working and all the stuff that inside are working or not. What are the bugs that we are getting with the ROM? I have Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G. I do not have other Galaxy Note 10 mobile phone. Unfortunately, the latest version ROM of One UI 6 working very perfectly. Now I have no idea how the ROM is working on the other Galaxy Note 10 mobile phone, because I have checked the ROM only on this in the particular device that currently I have. We'll go to software information. You can check this out that the current version is One UI 6.0, Android version 14. I have the baseband version. This is the build number, ROM, sealed ROM version 7. Now this current version is actually taken from the stable version of One UI 6. I am using this ROM since from 2 days and I haven't found any lag, like the ROM is getting slow. No. Now about the camera, let me tell you something about the camera, that the portrait mode is actually working. So you can see the watermark over here, Galaxy S21 Ultra, the current ROM that I have on my mobile phone. The portrait mode is actually working. You can click the picture and the camera will get close. So you have to reopen the camera to take the picture once again. But the picture, actually portrait mode is working. We can actually edit the picture. Like if I go in details, I can see that background effects, remaster and object eraser. If I tap on background effects, it will show more option over here. This picture was taken directly from the portrait mode using the feature of the portrait mode, which was working, but after taking the picture the camera got closed. So all the rest stuff are working very good, very fine. I have checked the connected devices. I was getting a lot of messages that please check the link to Windows, multi-control, and also the Samsung tags. I do not have any device to check the multi-control, because the multi-control will work with the Samsung Book, Galaxy Book, or Galaxy tablet. I do not have a Galaxy Book and I do not have the Galaxy tablet right now. And I have checked the link to Windows. Link to Windows is working very fine. I have recorded a video and you can see currently on your screen that how the link to Windows is working. And also I have checked the Samsung DeX. I didn't get any issue connecting the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G mobile with my LED external LED, and the Samsung DeX is working very perfectly. You can use this mobile phone as like a laptop PC or a computer, like doing the things that we usually do on our computer or on our Windows. So finally, I will say that this version is currently a stable version and working with my mobile phone. I do not know about other Galaxy Note 10. I would say and I would recommend that if you have a Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G and if you want to have the updated version of the One UI 6 Android version 14 to have or to use the latest features of One UI 6, then I would say must install this ROM and try it out, because this ROM really an amazing ROM, really working very fine, very smooth, very perfectly on this particular Note 10 series mobile, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G. About the Samsung account, yes, I have already log in my Samsung account, because without Samsung account I cannot use the link to Windows, and I am using it, the Samsung account. I have used the Galaxy Store. I have download many things from the Galaxy Store also. This is the Galaxy Store that cannot be opened without logging in the Samsung account. And one more question was asked from me, that how to get the Samsung Sense phones. So after installing the ROM, you can just go to the font size and font style, and you can simply download phones. The if you have login your Samsung account, the Galaxy Store will get open automatically, and you can see there are many phones over there, simply and free. Download it and you can select the way you like. So this is the Samsung Sense fonts. The new fonts we're coming with the One UI 6 is currently, you can have it on your mobile phone after downloading it. It is available for the One UI 6. So at the end, I will say I am in love with this ROM, having it on my Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G. As far the ROM is working with the latest feature of One UI 6, I am loving it. If you want this ROM on your mobile phone, then comment me also. I will bring a tutorial video. Take a good care of yourself. We'll see you again in my next video. Until then, goodbye.